We had a very bad result last week against Tottenham. We know we have to improve, but it's very stressful here at Chelsea. For sure. I look forward to the Merseyside derby. Everton are becoming a really good side in this moment, in this situation. And I feel there's not much difference in quality between the two Merseyside teams now. Everton and Tranmere Rovers.
Yeah, very happy, more than you believe. But well, that performance was good enough to beat Man United. I don't think it'll be good enough this weekend to beat Bournemouth, so we have to improve.
We will work hard, we will work together, and we can improve, we can do better, and we can win against Tottenham.
Yeah, I think what I've achieved here at Tottenham is incredible, amazing, all with only one player and a budget of 45 pence.
I think everybody speak about the 3 derby games on Sunday, but they forget Man United Southampton on Saturday. I think this game will be special.
Really, Jose?
I think so. And I know a thing or two about